Today, we're diving into the exciting world of geometry with the Around and In game, a fantastic way for students to explore the concepts of area and perimeter. Whether you're a teacher, a student, or just a math enthusiast, this game is a perfect blend of learning and fun. So, let's get started. For this game, you'll need the Around and In game board, 2 6-sided dice, grid paper, and some pencils. It's designed for 2 players, each ready to test their math skills and strategic thinking. The objective of the game is simple. Score the highest sum of points by choosing between the area and perimeter of rectangles. Remember, we're comparing 2 different kinds of measurements here, linear and area. It's not just about high scores, it's about understanding these fundamental concepts. Gameplay Step 1, choose area or perimeter. To start your turn, decide whether you want to claim the area or the perimeter of a rectangle. Mark your choice on the game board. Step 2, roll the dice. Now, roll the dice. The numbers you get are the dimensions of your rectangle, its length and width. Step 3, scoring points. Score points equal to the value of the attribute you chose, while your opponent gets the points for the other attribute. Strategy is key here. Step 4, switch rolls. Switch rolls after each turn. Each player gets 3 turns in total. Step 5, declaring the winner. At the end of 6 turns, sum up each player's scores. The one with the highest total wins the game. Alternate rules. Now, let's spice up the game with some alternate rules. You can play where only the player choosing between area and perimeter scores points, or perhaps always score the larger value between the area and perimeter. You can even declare the winner as the one who rolls the largest area or perimeter. And for an extra twist, try using different types of dice. Gameplay examples. Let's look at some gameplay scenarios. Imagine Alice chooses the area and rolls a 3 and a 5. She scores 15 points for the area, while Bob gets 16 for the perimeter. In another turn, if Bob opts for the perimeter and rolls 2 4s, he scores 16, and so does Alice. These scenarios show how strategy and luck combine in Around and In. Educational aspect. But Around and In isn't just about scoring points. It's a powerful educational tool. Use different colored pencils on grid paper to visually understand the concepts. Discuss and predict outcomes, like when the area and perimeter might be the same. This game brings geometry to life, encouraging students to think mathematically and strategically. Just head to the description below this video. And there you'll find a direct link to Teachers Pay Teachers, where you can get your hands on this fantastic resource. It's perfect for making math fun and interactive, whether you're teaching in a classroom, homeschooling, or just looking for an educational activity at home.